In this video, we are going to create a hover to show underline effect together. We'll use components to create this interaction so that it can be reused multiple times. First, click on the text icon in the toolbar, then click on the blank area outside of the frame to create a text box. Type button in the text box. Next, select the line tool from the toolbar. You can find it by clicking the small arrow next to the third icon and choosing Line. Now, draw a line underneath the text. Hold Shift while dragging to make sure the line is perfectly horizontal. You can adjust the stroke weight of the line in the stroke panel on the right-hand side. I suggest setting it to 3. Now, select both the line and the text, and create a auto layout by clicking on the auto layout button in the layout panel on your right hand side. Next, let's adjust our auto layout setting. In the layer panel on the left, select the text and set its width to fill container and the text box size to auto width. Select the overall frame and set its width to hug contents. Select the line and also set its width to fill container. Now let's select the entire frame and turn it into a component by clicking the Create Component button in the top left corner. It looks like 4 little diamonds. Next, click on Add Property, and when the menu pops up, let's choose Variant. A purple plus icon will appear, and let's click on it to create the second state. Let's go back to the first state, select the line, and set its width to 5 in the layout panel, and change its opacity to 0 in the appearance panel. Now, let's create the interaction. Switch from the design panel to prototype panel in the top right corner. Let's select the first state, hover on its edge, and drag a line from the little white dot to the second state. In the interaction window, let's choose While Hovering as the trigger and Smart Animate as the animation. Finally, copy the first state by pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C, and click on the name of our main canvas and paste the component by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V. Adjust its position as needed. Then click on the name of our main canvas again and hit the preview button in the top right corner. Now you'll be able to see the hover to add underline button effect.